am Krishna, and in this video I am going to unbox iPhone 13 Pro Max. And please watch my complete video, and if you like my video, please share and subscribe. So let's unbox it. So we have the iPhone 13 Pro Max and its accessories. So we have wireless magnetic charger, the tempered glass, and a bundle pack of charger and a case. Keep it aside and the smartphone. So I have removed the seals already because of my excitement. Okay, let's just open it. Oh, so we have the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Wow, it looks great. Okay, let's keep it aside. So we have a paper box. So we have a Apple logo, user guide, and a simulation tool. Okay, then we have a USB lightning to USB-C cable. Then let's keep this aside. Let's come to the smartphone. Wow, look! Wow, it looks great, isn't it? So I have the graphite color and 256 GB variant. Okay, let's remove it. This is the most satisfying thing. '13 Pro Max, black color. Wow, it looks great. Let's boot it up. Oh, so it's very fast. Let's boot it up. Oh, this looks great. I haven't set up the phone completely, but just a little bit. Oh, so we have a volume rockers and a silent button and SIM injection. Okay. Then we have dual stereo speakers. Then we have the power button and we have the antenna bands. And here we can't see anything, but we have an antenna band. So this looks very premium. Wow, wonderful. Let's keep this aside and check the accessories. So first of all, we have a transparent case or speaker with the charger. Okay, let's open it. Okay, so let's remove the seal. Okay. Oh. Okay, first of all, we get a speaker charging adapter. Okay, it's very good, and it supports maximum 20 watt charging. Then we have a USB Type C to Lightning charging cable. Okay. Then we have a transparent back case for our iPhone. Oh, a back case comes with a cleaning wipe and instruction. Let's put on the cover in it. Oh, it's fixed snugly, so it gives a good protection to your smartphone. Oh, it's very amazing. Okay, Then let's come to next accessory. So we have a magnetic wireless charger. Okay. Cut. Let's remove case. Okay. Then come to the next accessory. So we have a magnetic wireless charger. Okay. Oh, so we get a liquid type C pin charger and a wireless charger. Okay. Let's check its fit. Oh, it's very good. It has good strength. So when you put the charging case, then you can just keep it like this and use this clip as a stand for your smartphone. Okay. Then let's keep this accessory. Yeah. Then let's come to the transfer shield, premium glass shield. See, so that's it.
So friends, thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.